Can you find the mistake in this sentence? Will be they cooking on stoves in the future? Where's the mistake? A clue. Be they is the error. Another clue. With yes-no questions, questions that could be answered with a yes or no, you have the auxiliary verb first, will in this case, since we're talking about the future, then the subject, which is they in this case, and then the rest of the sentence. So the order is incorrect. Another way you can remember is that the regular affirmative sentence, not a question, would begin, they will be cooking. To change to a question, you would change the order to will they be cooking. Correct! Will they be cooking on stoves in the future? It's your turn. Write the corrected version of the sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out when we make more videos.